welcome to Yacht. And today we are continuing our section on using both our right and our left sides, training our ambidexterity so that we can be healthier chefs, right? Working all day, using our dominant hand. We're just learning ways to use the other hand, to do simple little tasks that we do all day long that maybe you don't even think about it, but you're always using the same arm, right? So cleaning, there's a lot of cleaning that goes on in the galley, and this is a double exercise. This is to practice our right and left movement, to work on our shoulders and being even and a little less lopsided, and also to get a nice little stretch in. So I have this huge center island in this galley, and I can have a nice little stretch. So we just take a nice little look. I'm fully extended, right? I'm basically on the countertop. It's the end of the day. I'm done cooking for the day. But this movement, I clean this center island a couple of times in the day, so it gives me the opportunity to do this kind of stretch. It's a really great stretch, both hands, all the way down. Let your belly, your nose even touch the top of the stone. This galley is great because this is actually a huge granite countertop. It's really beautiful. So that's a lovely stretch. Look, oh, it's so nice, really nice. And now, as far as the cleaning, a little bit of polishing the stone, that's left-handed. Now I'm a righty. So this motion over here feels a little bit strange to me, yet it also feels good because it's working an arm that doesn't get worked a lot. Now I practice what I preach, so I am actually doing this all day long. I use both of my hands. Sometimes I forget, and then you remember. So anything you do with the right, do with the left. This is also great to rewire your neurons, right? To rewire your brain, because it teaches your muscles how to do something new, keeps us younger, right? Look at that. And it's also a really great exercise. So you want to use the motion, not just something, but consciously put a circle there and feel your shoulders stretch out. Oh gosh, that feels good. And then make sure you do the other side as well. Oh, that feels great, yeah. And now you're going to do it a little bit faster because you don't have a lot of time in the galley. But it's a nice little way to incorporate some exercise and some ambidexterity into our daily tasks, giving them a little bit more fun and giving us a little more evenness, stretching our muscles out so that we are happier and healthier and create much, much more delicious, incredible, amazing eats. Healthy chefs make delicious food. All right, now here's another thing that you can do with both arms. Cleaning. You can clean with both arms. So instead of using your right hand, which you always use all the time, all day long, how about trying a different arm for a change? It feels a little bit weird at first, but then you get used to it. Every day it gets easier and easier until finally it feels the same no matter which arm you use. See you soon for more tips from the galley.
In the sky, private chef on the yacht, 7 days we play.